Welcome to Destination Perfect, your ultimate guide to the world's most exciting destinations. We're here to inspire your wanderlust with dreamy locations and hidden gems from across the globe. Today, we're heading to the Mediterranean, to the island of rhythm and sun, Ibiza. We'll be exploring the top 10 places that make this island a paradise for travelers. From historic sites to stunning beaches, each spot has its own unique charm. So without further ado, let's embark on a journey to the sun-drenched shores of Ibiza. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the historical Dalt Vila. Situated on the southeastern coast of Ibiza, this monumental site is a treasure trove of history and culture. Dalt Vila, which translates to Upper Town, is no ordinary city. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has stood the test of time, witnessing history unfold for over 2,000 years. As you meander through the winding cobbled streets, you'll encounter a unique blend of architecture. From medieval fortifications and Gothic cathedrals to Renaissance palaces, each structure tells a tale of the different civilizations that have left their mark on Dalt Vila. The Cathedral of Santa Maria, perched atop the city, is a standout example of this architectural diversity. Walking around Dalt Vila is like stepping into a time capsule. The old stone walls, the narrow labyrinthine alleys, the charming houses with their balconied facades, and the panoramic views from the city's highest points all contribute to a feeling of being transported back in time. And the history isn't just in the buildings. The rich cultural heritage of Dalt Vila is alive in its bustling markets, vibrant festivals, and the daily lives of the locals. It's a place where the past and the present seamlessly intertwine. So, if you're a history buff or simply someone who appreciates unique architecture and culture, Dalt Vila should definitely be on your Ibiza itinerary. A visit to Dalt Vila will surely transport you back in time. At number 9, we're hopping on a boat to the serene island of Formentera. Just south of Ibiza, this small paradise is a world apart from the hustle and bustle of its lively neighbor. Formentera is a tranquil haven, a sanctuary where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly immerse yourself in the beauty of the present moment. The island is a treasure trove of pristine beaches, each one more breathtaking than the last. The turquoise waters gently lap against the powdery white sands, creating a soothing soundtrack for your day of relaxation. Whether you're a sun worshipper or a water sports enthusiast, these beaches offer something for everyone. Formentera's tranquility extends beyond its beaches. The island itself is a haven of peace, with quiet villages and untouched landscapes that allow you to reconnect with nature. Imagine yourself cycling along the island's trails, the warm breeze in your hair and the scent of the sea in the air. It's an idyllic scene, isn't it? The beauty of Formentera is that it's just a short boat ride away from Ibiza. This makes it the perfect day trip destination when you're craving a break from the party scene. You can easily hop on a ferry in the morning, spend the day in paradise, and be back in Ibiza by sunset, ready for another night of fun. Formentera is a perfect escape for those seeking peace and tranquility. This jewel of the Mediterranean offers a refreshing contrast to Ibiza's energetic vibe, making it a must-visit on any traveler's itinerary. Before we continue our adventure, we have a quick reminder for you. If you are enjoying this tour of the stunning Ibiza and its hidden gems so far, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel. We promise to keep bringing you more such virtual journeys to the most stunning destinations around the world. Now let's set sail from the serene shores of Formentera and head towards the mystical island of Vedra. Stay tuned. Coming in at number 8 is the mystical rock island of Vedra. Off the western coast of Ibiza, this natural wonder is more than just a sight to behold. It's a place shrouded in mystery and steeped in legends. Some say it's the home of the sirens, those mythical creatures with enchanting voices who lured sailors to their doom in Homer's Odyssey. Others believe it's the tip of the lost city of Atlantis, poking out of the Mediterranean like a beacon of ancient secrets. But it's not just the myths that make Vedra intriguing. The rock formation rising majestically from the sea offers an unparalleled vista. Imagine the sun setting, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and violet, while the silhouette of Vedra stands strong against the nightfall. It's a sight that captivates, a spectacle that leaves you in awe of nature's grandeur. Visitors often find a sense of peace and tranquility here, away from the bustling party scenes of Ibiza. It's a place where you can connect with nature, reflect on the mysteries of life, or simply lose yourself in the mesmerizing views. And if you're lucky, as the sun dips below the horizon and the stars begin to twinkle, you might catch a glimpse of something magical. Who knows, you might even spot a mermaid at Vedra. At number 7, we have the unique Las Salinas salt flats. Just imagine, a sprawling landscape that glistens under the Ibiza sun, a delicate blush of pink from the brine shrimp that inhabit these waters, and mountains of white gold piled high. This is the Las Salinas salt flats, a place where both history and nature collide in the most spectacular fashion. Salt production has been a crucial part of Ibiza's economy for over 2,000 years, dating back to the time of the Carthaginians. Even the name Ibiza is derived from the ancient word ibosim, which means dedicated to Bes, the god of salt in Carthaginian mythology. Today, this tradition continues with the annual Festa de la Sal, or Salt Festival, a celebration of the island's rich salt heritage. But it's not just the history that makes Las Salinas so captivating. This place is a haven for nature lovers. The salt flats are part of the SE's Selen Natural Park, which is home to a plethora of flora and fauna. The area also serves as a vital stopover for migrating birds, including flocks of flamingos that add a touch of pink to the landscape. The stunning vistas, the crunch of salt underfoot, the soft whisper of the sea breeze, and the raw, untouched beauty of nature. It's no wonder Las Salinas Salt Flats has earned its place in our top 10. A visit to Las Salinas is a must for any nature lover. Coming in at number 6 is the vibrant Ibiza Town. This lively gem is the pulse of the island, beating with an energy that's both contagious and captivating. From the moment you step into Ibiza Town, you're swept up in a whirlwind of activity. The streets are a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and flavors. Market stalls are laden with everything from locally crafted jewelry to fresh produce, while boutiques offer the latest in fashion and design. The dining scene is a gastronomic delight, catering to every palate. Whether you're craving traditional Spanish tapas, fresh seafood, or international cuisine, Ibiza Town has you covered. And let's not forget the coffee shops and ice cream parlors that offer a sweet reprieve from the Mediterranean sun. As night falls, Ibiza Town undergoes a magical transformation. The daytime hustle gives way to a nightlife that's as diverse as it is vibrant. From cozy wine bars and live music venues to some of the world's most renowned clubs, the town is a playground for night owls. But it's not just about the shopping, dining, and partying. Ibiza Town is steeped in history. Its old town area, Dalt Vila, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a window into the past. It's a place where ancient city walls stand proudly alongside modern buildings, creating a fascinating blend of old and new. Ibiza Town truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a shopaholic, or a partygoer, Ibiza Town promises a memorable experience. At number 5, we have the breathtaking Kac Comp. Nestled on the western coast of Ibiza, Kac Comp is an enchanting destination, brimming with the essence of Mediterranean beauty. The main draw here is the crystal clear waters, so pure and inviting that they seem to sparkle under the sun's kiss. Kac Comp is not just about the waters though. The views are equally stunning. Imagine a panorama of the azure sea, dotted with picturesque islets stretching out as far as the eye can see. The rugged coastline, with its natural stone terraces, adds an extra layer of charm to the scenery. Now let's talk about sunsets. If there's one thing you can't miss when you're in Kac Comp, it's the sunset. As the day draws to a close, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, from fiery reds and oranges to soft purples and pinks. This spectacle of nature is so mesmerizing that it often draws a crowd, each person eager to capture the perfect moment as the sun dips below the horizon. While you're there, don't forget to explore the local cuisine. The beachfront restaurants offer a variety of dishes, from fresh seafood to traditional Spanish tapas, all prepared with locally sourced ingredients. And the best part? You can enjoy your meal with the stunning views of Kac Comp as your backdrop. Kac Comp is the perfect place for an unforgettable beach day. So when you visit Ibiza, make sure this gem is on your list. You won't regret it. Coming in at number 4 is the lively town of San Antonio. Known for its pulsating energy and vibrant nightlife, this town truly comes alive when the sun goes down. As soon as twilight sets in, the streets and clubs brim with spirited partygoers, making it a paradise for nocturnal thrill seekers. But it's not just about the nightlife. San Antonio is also a hub for the world's most renowned DJs and electronic music artists. The music scene here is electrifying, with the bass and beats reverberating through the air, igniting an infectious rhythm that you can't help but move to. From underground clubs to open-air venues, the town offers a variety of musical experiences that cater to every taste. And then there's the famous Sunset Strip. This stretch of coastline boasts some of the most stunning sunsets you'll ever witness. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold, pink, and purple, the strip transforms into a spectacle of light and color. The sight of the glowing orb sinking into the Mediterranean Sea is truly a sight to behold. While you're here, make sure to check out the beach clubs. They offer a unique blend of relaxation during the day and exhilarating parties at night. With their luxurious cabanas, poolside DJs, and refreshing cocktails, they provide an unforgettable experience. San Antonio is a must-visit for any party lover. This town knows how to have a good time and invites you to join in on the fun. If you're looking for a place where the music never stops and the party never ends, San Antonio should definitely be on your list. At number 3, we have the vibrant Playa Denosa. This is where the magic happens, folks. Playa Denosa is the longest stretch of beach on the island of Ibiza, boasting a sandy shoreline that stretches as far as the eye can see. This expansive beach provides plenty of room to spread out your towel and soak up the Mediterranean sun, or to join in on a friendly beach volleyball game. But the sand and surf are just the beginning of what Playa Denosa has to offer. The beach is a hub for water sports, where adventure seekers can get their adrenaline pumping with activities like jet skiing, paddleboarding, and parasailing. And then, there's the beach clubs. Playa Denosa is renowned for its lively beach club scene. These are not your average beach bars. We're talking about world-class establishments like Ushuaia and Bora Bora, where you can dance to the beats of internationally acclaimed DJs while sipping on a refreshing cocktail. The party here starts early in the afternoon and goes on until the sun comes up, creating an atmosphere that's electrifying and utterly irresistible. But don't let the party vibes fool you. Playa Denosa also offers quieter spots for those seeking a more relaxed beach day. With its diverse offering, it's no wonder this beach is a beloved destination by both partygoers and sunseekers alike. Playa Denosa is the perfect place for a fun-filled day on the beach. At number 2, we have the serene Kador. This picturesque spot is a small, beloved beach tucked away on the west coast of Ibiza, offering one of the most stunning views of the mystical island of Vedra. Vedra, rising majestically from the sea, is shrouded in myths and legends, adding a sense of awe and wonder to your beach day. As you bask in the sun or take a refreshing dip in the clear azure waters of Kador, you can't help but marvel at the sight of this imposing rocky island. Kador is not just about the views, it's an oasis of tranquility, a place where you can leave behind the hustle and bustle and immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of nature. The soft rustling of the palm trees, the gentle lapping of the waves, the distant cries of the seagulls. It's a symphony of peace and calm that rejuvenates the soul. And let's not forget the gastronomic delights that await you here. Kador is home to some excellent seafood restaurants where you can indulge in the freshest catch of the day, prepared with a dash of local flavor. Imagine savoring a delicious seafood paella as you sit on a terrace overlooking the sea with Vedra as your backdrop. Kador offers a perfect blend of tranquility and stunning views. It's a place that captures the essence of Ibiza, its natural beauty, its laid-back vibe, and its irresistible charm. And finally, at number 1, we have Ibiza's world-famous clubs. It's no secret that Ibiza is the global capital of electronic dance music, a pulsating paradise for party lovers worldwide. One can't simply talk about clubs without mentioning Ibiza. They're practically synonymous. The island's clubs are legendary, having played host to some of the world's top DJs. From Carl Cox to David Guetta, Tiesto to Avicii, the list of names who have graced these stages reads like a who's who of electronic music royalty. The energy and passion that these artists bring to the turntables set the tone for an unforgettable night of music and dance. But it's not just about the music. Ibiza's clubs offer a unique party experience that's truly second to none. Imagine dancing under the stars at an open-air club or losing yourself in the mesmerizing visuals of a state-of-the-art light show. It's a sensory feast that engages not just your ears, but all your senses. And let's not forget the people. The clubs of Ibiza draw a diverse international crowd, creating a vibrant and inclusive atmosphere where everyone is united by their love for music. It's a place where lifelong friendships are formed, where every night is a celebration of life itself. A visit to Ibiza would be incomplete without experiencing its nightlife. So, put on your dancing shoes and get ready to dance the night away. because Ibiza's clubs are calling your name. And there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Ibiza. From the historic charm of Dalt Vila, to the serene beauty of Formentera, the magnetic allure of Vedra, and the pulsating nightlife of Ibiza's famous clubs. We've traveled through Ibiza Town, marveled at Las Salinas salt flats, and soaked up the sun at Kac Comp, San Antonio, Pla Denosa, and Kador. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Destination Perfect. Until next time, safe travels.